Okay, so here's the directions for the second formative we took, formative RI 8.6. So for the first part, you're going to read the article. Then you're going to highlight the evidence that shows the author's perspective on what the role of parents should be. So, in other words, highlight in yellow when you see what the author thinks parents should do to help their kids be independent or autonomous. Okay? In blue, you're going to highlight what parents do that prevent their kids from becoming independent. Okay, so yellow is what they should do to help them be independent. Blue is what parents are doing that prevent their kids from becoming independent. Okay, so then you need 3 comments that show the stuff in yellow. Okay, so 3 comments that are exploring what the author is trying to say about the role of parents and how they help their kids become independent. And then 1 comment should be linked to the blue highlights, and it should say what parents are doing that prevent their kids. Okay, so you're just showing your thoughts here. Okay, so you have to highlight through here, blue and yellow. You have to. And you need to have at least 4 comments. Okay, now this is a harder article, so I just want you to try your best. So when you get down here, you have a highlighting activity. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pieces of evidence we pulled from the article. Okay, so 2 of these are going to be highlighted in yellow, and it's going to show what parents are doing that help their kids become independent. Now, the other 4 pieces of evidence should be in blue, and it's going to tell us what parents are doing that prevent their kids from becoming independent. So 2 in yellow, 4 in blue. Okay, down here, multiple choice questions. So here, what's the author's perspective? So in other words, what is the author's main point that they're trying to tell you here? Okay, what is the author's main point? Be sure you're not picking out supporting details. Okay, so what is the main point? On this one, number 2, let's see here. You are going to show me I'm reading through here. I'm trying to help you out a little bit. What is a good supporting detail here that supports what you said in number 1? Okay, so this on number 2 should support number 1. Okay, when you get down to number 3 here, think about what the author is saying. Okay, so what was the main point? And think back to your blue highlights that you have done. So this answer here should have something to do with the blue highlights, okay? One of these answers are going to talk about it's just introducing the subject in context, okay? So push that one to the side. The other 3 comments, 2 of these are showing what parents should be doing. Another one is just acknowledging that the parents are doing something that they shouldn't be doing. Okay? And that one would be your answer. Here is the central idea. Okay, so try your best to pick it out. What's most important? Stay away from options that aren't focusing on the perspective. Okay? Here, I'm waiving this, okay? So you can just forget about doing the objective summary. All right, so make sure you spell check, grammar check, and that's it. Let me know if you have questions.